There. Okay, this is a quick video to walk you through the features of MindTap. The MindTap access code comes with the new version of the book, so your instructor will give you a URL that you'll plug into your browser, follow the prompts, and it'll plug MindTap for this course into your Cengage account. Many of you probably already know what this looks like or are familiar with the Cengage account. I actually have a lot of things in mine here, so you're going to see a lot of different courses, but I'm going to show you what this one looks like here. So again, you'll see it as a tile that will come up on your home page. You have 2 weeks actually of free access to it using the URL that your instructor gave you. Before the access expires, you would just need to, in order to maintain the MindTap access, you would have to say subscribe now and choose to purchase MindTap on its own for $50 or enter your uh, access code from the bookstore, either here or again, I believe that when you click subscribe now, you'll see a prompt that also gives you the option to enter an access code. But I'm going to show you what MindTap looks like for the book. So you're familiar with how to use it if you decide to use MindTap on its own, because the ebook is within it. That is an option. The middle part here is what we call the MindTap learning path. This is strictly used as an extra resource in this class. So if you see anything that shows it's a due date, that is just for, and you can confirm with your instructor, but I believe that's just for your own practice. So every chapter you can expand here on the right side of the page. We have the chapter ebook first, a concept check, making sure you're understanding what's happening. And then we have the video lecture. The ebook is very functional. It allows you to take notes and highlights, which I'll show you in just a second. I can change font sizes of the ebook. I can print pages of the ebook as well if I'd like to, but let me jump into part of the ebook. I can hover over key terms and find those definitions. If there are exhibits, I can click here and it'll take me right down to the exhibit. But like I was saying, I can actually left click for my notes and highlights. I can add a note. They're automatically stored on the page. I can take bookmarks. I can have that ebook read to me as well. So if I click this guy up here, it'll begin to read from the very beginning. If I highlight a portion, the ebook will read the highlighted portion. I can toggle between chapters right here if I go back. But the great thing about the ebook is on this right side of the page, we have the study hub, and we have actually housed all of your notes and highlights by chapter. So if I go to my notes and highlights tab, I can find them by chapter. If I expand here, I think I have a pop-up blocker on, but I can usually expand here and I can actually delete them off here. It deletes them from my page, but I can create study guides based upon my notes and highlights. And I also have the bookmark that I've collected, or the bookmarks. So the ebook is very functional in that method. So again, everything that you see is going to be clearly given within each chapter. I have 3 activities per chapter. You're always going to find that ebook link, the concept check quiz, so just see how you're doing in whatever given concept in the chapter, and then the video lecture. So this is the learning path that you'd be using here. If you do start to quiz yourself, you'll be able to quickly see how you're doing on the quizzes right here. And on the right side of the page, we have what we call MindTap apps. If you use Evernote, you can actually link Evernote to your notes here, and so you can take notes within the course. We have an RSS feed tab, so you can find some relevant RSS feeds. The glossary, there is a portfolio that you can build either school or career, and you'll have access to this after the course is over. The full ebook is right here. So rather than searching by chapter here, you can get to the full ebook here, which is going to give you kind of the traditional view of what you actually see in the hard copy version. If you want to search the ebook by page number, you can do so right here. It'll take you right to that page, or key term, etc. You can manipulate the read speaker right here, where you can speed up the voice to male or female. So all kinds of great manipulations there. You can link to your Microsoft OneDrive, your Google Drive, and then we do have flashcards here as well. So every given chapter, we have a set of terms. You can actually, on the click within the ebook, there is the option to create a flashcard. So you can actually create your own. But I can hide cards, flip cards, but I can hide these cards if I am trying to quiz myself and I already know them. I can go to previous cards, shuffle the deck, create new cards, and I can also restore the deck if I've hidden cards. I can upload also. So let's see. And then down here we have a progress app that will also show you more detailed views of your assignments, where you can click in and revisit assignments that you'd like to. It'll also give you your time of engagement in the course and number of logins, etc. If you have any issues within the course, you'll go to your help tab up here, click on the help center, which will link you right into tech support. This is the best method because tech support is able to capture who you are, what school you go to, and what activity you're in. So they're able to help you in a very quick manner. If you have any questions, once again, I've let your teacher know that she can, your instructor know that she can she can provide you with my email, and I'm more than happy to answer questions, but this is just a brief overview of the functionality of MindTap and how it works. Additionally, when you go in for the first time, the system will prompt you to take a tour. So you are able to take a tour, which should cover essentially what I did just now, but feel free to do that. And you also have the ability to watch this video here, which will revisit how to take some of the assignments. Okay, have a great day and a great semester.